Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make your videos look cinematic by using this dark cinematic color grading. So first you just need to add your clip and then head to adjust, and you can follow my settings, or you can also adjust it more according to your own video. So for the brightness I'm going to lower it to -16. Then for the contrast I'm going to lower it to -30, like this. And then for the sharpness, increase it to around 58. And now go to hue and lower it to -21. Okay, now click on fade and increase it to around 30. And now click on the filters tab, click on the movies category and add the dog days filter. Okay, this one, adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 65. Click on a check icon first. Now add another filter, still on the movies category. Now add the green orange coloring or filter. Okay, I'm going to go with 40. And you are done, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment if you have any questions. Bye.